SAFEMOON and SAFEMARS are both newly listed on Gate.io. Are these tokens safe? Are they dangerous? That's what we're going to be exploring in this video. I'm Joanna Garzilli. This is Crypto Angel Network. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, to liking the videos, for hitting that bell to get my time-sensitive notifications, and especially your comments. Beware of the scammers that will put WhatsApp or would you like investment advice. That is not me. I will always reply to you personally within 48 hours. I'm going to get into sharing my screen here now, and let's start. So I want to start off right. We're just going to dive in. We're just going to dive in here. I thought this comment was really fascinating about SAFEMOON and SAFEMARS. And then we're going to just look at a little bit of the fundamentals, and then we're going to look at the charts, and I'm going to show you the trades that I have already done with these tokens and ones that I have in the works as well. So Habian Modak says that they have a word to share with us. There are a lot of deflationaries, but with my experience of being in these from the beginning days when SAFEMOON was just launched, I know a few you can trust that'll blow through. Well, we have to, how can we trust anything? We have to do our own due diligence. Let me just say that. I know a few you can trust that'll blow through the roof after every retrace. They are the two kings, SAFEMOON and absolutely SAFEMARS. Best of them all because the fees. And then there is this brand new coin called Blimps Rock. Well, we're not going to address that in this video, but that's interesting. That has huge potential because of the real Elon Musk. He tweeted Blimps Rock. And this is exactly the same story as with Dogecoin, but it's a deflationary coin. Blimps Rock is soon in the big three with SAFEMOON and SAFEMARS. So I'm going to be looking further into that. Bitcoin has shown its stronghold too, and the two new coins show by the math that they are gaining second place ratings after Wall Street Bets token and WhenMoon. These deflationaries are here to stay. Don't FUD or give into it. The drops in the market are just the whales that bought a big bag in the beginning and tooled some million profits. They'll start to buy back as soon as the markets look green again this weekend. Never give in to the boomer FUD, right? Fear, uncertainty, doubt, for those of you who are newer to crypto, who don't understand what hype means. I know that these deflationaries are hands down the fastest money makers in the whole space, and you should understand this by now looking at the stats. Hold strong for months and you will be rewarded. Well, of course, we don't know what's going to happen. But this comment came in after I had gone into, which one do you think I went into first, SAFEMARS or SAFEMOON? Let me know in the comments. I want to hop over now to here, and we are going to go to Safe. And so here, I'm just going to start off with SAFEMARS. It's ranked number 266. SAFEMOON, it looks like, doesn't have a ranking. SAFEMARS right now is 0.000000. Well, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 zeros and then 3, 9. And you can see that it has a maximum of, what is that? Is that 1 quadrillion supply? 401 billion? I mean, trillion of a quadrillion. I think that's what it is. So let's just take a look and see if I was actually correct on that. 400 trillion of a quadrillion. Yes. Okay. So hopping up here, we look at the past 30 days, SAFEMARS has gone on a meteoric rise of 1700%. And even right now, it doesn't say that it's going through retracement, but from what I understand, it is from when I'm on Gate.io exchange, because it just got listed on there a couple of days ago. And so let's hop over here to SAFEMARS. And so SAFEMARS, I thought this was interesting, is programmed to reward holders while increasing in both liquidity and value. It does this by applying a 4% tax on transactions, 2% goes to holders, 2% is auto-locked to liquidity, forever deflationary supply burn. And it says 100% safe. Well, we'll see. Time will tell. But what I find interesting here is if Elon Musk decides, because his life mission is to get a colony set up on Mars, if Elon tweets this out, sort of like when he's tweeted out Dogecoin, people are going to want to get into this. If we look at how many current holders there are, we can see there's just over 320 million current hodlers. One of those, 14 million liquidity, 154 million market cap, and 599, what is that, trillion? I'm not sure if that's trillion. 599 T SAFEMARS burn. Let me know in the comments if you know what the T stands for. In 14 days, we're up 500%. And let's then just, we'll hop over in a moment to SAFEMOON, but I just want to show you their roadmap. So the roadmap here for 2021, safe launch, liquidity locked forever. Q1 as well, burned 53% of total supply and seeded black hole. Website redesign. I like this website. I think it looks good. Let's see, Q1, listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. I've just showed you that. Smart contract audit. Yes, that was done too. Right now, they're in a marketing push. I don't get paid for sharing this. I've just bought their token. So that's happening right now. Further partnerships. I will be curious to see what those are. And then we have community votes, events, competitions. Q2, secret new mission launch, NFT staking and mining in the third quarter. And then this is what excites me. Q3, listing on established exchanges, and then further ecosystem development. So for me personally, I feel, gosh, it's so cheap to be able to go into this token. Why not? Why not have a little bit of fun with it? And then let's just hop over to here we go. We're going to go over to SAFEMOON. So what do we have? We had just over 300,000 people who are hodling SAFEMARS, but there's 1 million holders of SAFEMOON, many more, which I find fascinating. And that valuation is 0.0000004460. Liquidity 204 million and a market cap of 2.6 billion. 409, what is this? 409 T-burn. I need to figure out what that means. So I'm sorry, just next, I will discover that. I will figure it out for next time. But anyway, so you can see that SAFEMOON has a larger community, it looks like, but its ranking, I wonder why it doesn't have the ranking yet on CoinGecko. Their roadmap, protocol initialized, they successfully onboarded and confirmed a Dogecoin trading pair with BPPOM. We also have successfully begun an integration process with Whitebit and began legal paperwork with Bitmart. The team size has doubled and a marketing campaign has begun. Again, I don't get paid anything here. I have an order in for this token. We have the initial push here, the Whitebit tokenomics integration, a whole load of things here. We will be architecting NFT exchange as well as video game integrations. We will be expanding the team by 35% and established a UK Ireland office. We will be architecting a crypto educational app as well as onboarding new partners. Q3, holding the line. We're going to finish the crypto educational app, begin their own charity project. And they have a community listing donation raise for several exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. Then they're going to finish their NFT exchange and release their first video game with SAFEMOON integration. And Q4 to the moon, we'll finish the SAFEMOON exchange. They're going to have a whole exchange and charity project, finish integrations with our first African market and begin the next integrations with additional African markets. We're going to create an African-based SAFEMOON office and begin hiring in those markets to create jobs. We'll be taking donations for our next charity project and begin a vote on the project as well. We'll be establishing a SAFEMOON scholarship in this quarter as well. So I think this is interesting. Let's just go over here to SAFEMARS because they have a ranking of 274. So again, this market cap here is around 100, just under 155 million. And then let's just take a look at SAFEMOON. SAFEMOON, let's hop over to that. And we've got here, we don't know what the market cap is on this yet. It doesn't say. So I think that it looks like I'm trying to figure out, well, what has been, it's only been out for about, I guess, it's only been out for about a month for SAFEMOON. I mean, it's super, super new. And we're April 23rd today. It just got listed on Gate.io today. Whereas SAFEMARS just hopped onto the exchange about 3 days earlier. And SAFEMARS has been out about a month as well. So they've come out around the same time. With that being said, let's hop over to, we're going to go into Gate.io, because this is where, actually I want to go over this way to here. Nope, I'm going to go back over here. Bear with me. All right, so where am I going here? This is where I want to go. I am going to show you what I have in here so far. I do have SAFEMARS. Let's see if we can see this properly. Here we go. SAFEMARS. So I did get SAFEMARS a couple of days ago. It's the highest number of crypto I hold, although it's a small investment amount. I have of SAFEMARS over $1 billion SAFEMARS, and it's fun. It's like worst case scenario, if nothing happens with it, it's a few $100s, and yes, every dollar counts to me, but I'm prepared to take that risk because I feel that it's not on the bigger exchanges like Coinbase yet. It started off, on other exchanges. What other exchanges? Actually, let me just clarify that it's on PancakeSwap. SAFEMARS is on PancakeSwap, and then with SAFEMOON. Let's just clarify that. SAFEMOON, which of the dexes is it on? SAFEMOON is also on PancakeSwap. I don't see it on Uniswap here. And then it's on Bitmart. I would just, Bitmart is an exchange that it looks like they're based out of Malta. I did try and buy on there. And I personally, it was very, very challenging for me. I went and attached my account, and then it looked like it was trying to take a huge amount of money out of my account, and that made me nervous. And that is why I personally, and you can't move money over to a Bitmart address. So that's why I like Gate.io, and I feel safe, seeing as we have this theme of SAFEMOON, SAFEMARS. I feel safe on Gate.io. So I put, again, I got my SAFEMARS here. And then right now, in terms of open orders, I have an order open for SAFEMOON to be able to get, it's like what, $100 worth. So that would give me 309. Hang on, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It would give me, what is that? Hang on, 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to see here what of the numbers, 1, 2, 3. It would give me 30 million. It would give me 30 million SAFEMOON. So if we just go over here, let's just take a look at the charts a moment to see what happened when this came on the exchange. Let's start off with SAFEMARS. SAFEMARS, it is retracing right now over 18%. And let's just have a little look here and go full screen. This was where, hang on, that was on the hourly. Let me go to the 15 minutes. Can I get into the 15 minutes here? Am I in 15 minutes? Yes. Okay, so you can see here, let me just open this out on the RSI indicator, and SAFEMARS came out, what was it? It was the 20th, right on the 20th of April, and you can see it went, it shot up and then it retraced, and I bought, you can't even see the number because the numbers are so low because of the 0.00000. I bought right around, where was it? Like right around here. I didn't get in totally at the bottom. And then we just had this market wide across all tokens, Bitcoin, the whole lot. We just had this huge dump. Well, not huge dump, but we had a sizable dump last night to the downside, and we went down even lower. And so you can see, everything's consolidating. Everything got oversold. And then this is why, in terms of the markets overall, I'm not worried. I personally don't think that we are going into months of a bear cycle. I just feel like so much is happening and changing within the space. right now, and there's so many new projects. But I feel very, very positive. So I thought, well, this will be fun to go into this. I'm interested to see what happens. I'm just gonna just hold onto it for a while, and you just never know. You just don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, I'm not gonna put thousands of dollars into it. Just have a little bit of fun. Just throw a few $100s in and see what happens. It looks like right now SAFEMARS is consolidating. I bought in at, what did I buy in at? It was like 0.000 point, I think it was like 0.5 something, or even 0.6. So I am negative right now, but I'm not worried about it. I know it's going to come back and then move forward. So consolidation period right now. And again, you can't see, it's hard to see the numbers of where to get in here, but I would imagine that, let's see, hang on. Oh, I see here. Look, this bottom here, where is it here? 0.362. That could be a good, somewhere around here. How much lower is it going to go? It might go back down to here. 0.362. I don't think it can't go down much more. So it looks like a pretty good entry point if one was going to get SAFEMARS. And then SAFEMOON came onto the exchange today, and you can see that it's up 417%, and it is the 0.0006207. So I probably, I have what do I have my order in for? Hang on, let me look. I put my order in for 3232. Because if it goes up 416%, I just figured that it's got to retrace. It has to. And where is it now? Here, let me just hop over to that. So I think that this is going to retrace. Look, you can see my order on here. This is where I decided, let me just stretch this out. You can just see it's really because it launched today. And it is this is where it got on the RSI indicator. It got heavily overbought because it's launched. So it popped all the way up to, hang on, all the way up to, it's really tricky with this, 6204, whopping green candle, then all the way down on red. So I'm just going to hang on and wait. Because every time that I don't wait and I go in and then it retraces a lot. And a lot of the time I write in my journal, I go, well, what was the lesson that I learned today? Everything always has pullback. Everything does. It just seems for every token that it's inescapable. So that's why I've got my buy order in there at 3232. And if in the next 24 hours, it doesn't get anywhere near down there and it has a stronger line of support up here around, I don't know, 6 or what is this, around 5 or something like that, it's fine. I'll just adjust the buy order because it's for such a small amount. It doesn't matter. I'll get 20 million instead of 30 million. I'm okay with that. But so anyway, those are the two tokens that I have decided to go into. Yeah, I feel like it's had a good launch because you can see we trended upwards here, and so far this to me is just healthy pullback, healthy consolidation. And when I think about, well, where are we going to be in a month from now, 2 months from now, 3 months from now? I hope higher. But I'm looking at this a little bit of fun, a little bit of experiment. It's different from some of the staples I have, say like Ethereum, VeChain. I just like being in something that, to me, it's just, I just wanted to do something different. And so we'll see what occurs. And obviously one should never put in more than one can afford to lose. So this is on Gate.io. If you do decide to get a Gate.io account, make sure to use my link in the video description. And then that way, hang on a sec, this is where they have all their news. And then that way we get win-win. It means that I get rewards and you get rewards. But I think I just wanted to show you here that where is it with SAFEMOON? Anyway, it just shows that they launched today on this exchange. And that is all that I have to bring you. So I personally feel good about SAFEMARS and SAFEMOON. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you already hold it? What do you think is the price that they could go to? I find it very challenging going through the 0.0000000. I can't even say the numbers. But I think that the only way is up. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero, but I don't think it will. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gone into it. I feel good about it. I think these are interesting projects. They're very community-based, and more will be revealed. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Joanna Garzilli. This is Crypto Angel Network, and I look forward to connecting with you next time. Sending you lots of love.